My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel today. Bella fans don come out come give Beauty better woto after she win the award for Trendupp award wey be say she and Bella dey for the same category. And also Soma don come out come change e appearance, and e fans dem don come out come call her out. According to dem, dem no fit cope with that type of new look wey Former dey look. So unto Bella matter with Beauty and Bella, they nominate them for the same category for the Trendupp Award 2024. Now Trendupp Award mean to say na award wey be say they do for influencers and content creators. Just as they get Hades for musicians and they get AMVCA for actors and actresses. So Trendupp just for content creators and influencers only. So the nominees for that particular category of award, the award na force of lifestyle content. The nominees are Bella Okwagwe, Vicky James, Modella of the Level Up season, Yemoli, Beauty Tukura, and Larry Hector. I don't know who be Larry Hector, but I know the rest people wey dey for the list. And the meaning of the award, the force of lifestyle content, mean to say influencers and content creators who commanded the highest engagement on and vitality power in lifestyle niches such as beauty, travel, and fashion between March 2023 to March 2024. So according to Bella fans, they talk say since Bella win her last year, she suppose win am again this year because na she tick all the boxes according to them. Most of them dey claim to say Beauty actually buy the award with her money. You know to say even when Beauty win AMVCA, people come and call her out say she buy the award. This one now, she don buy am. Last year na Bella win her. This year, Bella fans dey claim to say na only Bella supposed to dey win that award forever. None of us know wetin be the unique thing wey be say make them pick her, but from my own opinion, I know to say I see different things for the both of them wey make Beauty dey more deserving than Bella. So make we see some comments for under this trade award wey be say people don dey shout since. The first person here say just tell us she paid for her award or she opened her toto wide as usual just so she could win the award and stop it with rather lies. Even the presenter of that award was shocked to the core. You guys have problem. I want to say congratulations at Beauty Tukura. Another person say, have you all seen her page? None of the things mentioned there exist on her page. Trendupp, try and lie less. Come put laughing emoji. Another one can say her page says otherwise. This is a huge gap and a miss for Trendupp. I took a peek at Yemoli's page and other nominees, and they all seem to have better content and engagement. It will be amazing for credibility if you show the public her engagement data compared to others. The last person they say, after 12 hours of posting her as winner, see una engagement and shame not catch you guys. Omo, una don dey lose una credibility. Come put laughing emoji. So make we analyze the people wey dey for the category one by one, because me, una not also I not get fave. I fit talk good about person today, tomorrow I dey drag the person. For Vicky James, when it comes to fashion, she tick the box. But when it comes to travel, that girl will never see where she travel go since between March 2023 to March 2024, because the award now between March 2023 to March 2024. For Yemoli get the lifestyle because we dey see am, me and e girlfriends, so they give us balls and all of that, and we dey see him get fashion. But the traveling, I not really know how far he don't travel so far for between that year, but he not tick that traveling on for me. Now for Bella, the places where Bella travel go was London. Now of recent year, last month, now she take travel go Turkey, come travel go Greece now. Last month not follow for the calculation of the 1 year period where we say the Trendupp award they use they give the winner. And also when it comes to lifestyle for Bella, the truth be say Bella and Shares never really give us any better news to talk about for a very long time now. Bella no dey go any podcast, she no dey go any interview, we no dey see her for television, nothing. Let's be honest here. The only thing wey be say we fit talk say she dey try for all those boxes where be say the criteria for that category now only for the fashion. She dey try for fashion, but go to her IG page, it doesn't look entertaining. For beauty on the other hand, if you go to her IG page, you go see say from last year till this year March, where be say the award, the category award, the duration of time where they take calculate the whole criteria for the award, you go see say her IG page they booming. It is not looking boring at all. Me and Neo don dey in the spotlight since last year December till that March, and the two of them dey always dey on social media faces. Beauty on the other hand, she appear for Rubbing Minds with Ebuka for Channels Television. DSTV call her for a particular show wey be say she do last year. Yeah, she do show with Liquor I been over earlier this year. Now they do that show with Liquor. Content creation will get different categories. If you be person wey be say, like for this YouTube now, you dey always put out your family, everything wey be say you dey always talk about na your family, your life, your relationship, na lifestyle they categorize am for content creation. Lifestyle na they call that type of thing. So I no see a reason why person go win award, everybody go dey cry, dey shout, say you no win am, you no suppose win am, you no deserve am. Beauty win MVC award, they say she buy the award. The same Beauty wey be say everybody come and say she dey broke, where she come take see money take buy MVC, still use am take buy Trendupp. When Bella win her last year, we no hear any noise. Una no disturb us. Beauty fans no accuse her of anything. Beauty don win this year, everybody dey say she no deserve am, she no deserve am. Is the award, the name wey dey after the award na Okwa na una see for there? Is it that another person no dey allowed to win award apart from Bella? Guys are just pained, and all this stanship una dey do dey very annoying sometimes. The thing about life be say, once person win, when people win and you no dey happy for them, you yourself you know if you win. If una check me for this my channel, anytime when be say any housemate they celebrate birthday or they win endorsement, are they always dey so happy for them, even if I don't drag them before. That's how it's supposed to be. So once person win, clap for the person and keep it moving. Stop complaining and stop being a sole loser. So onto Soma matter, Soma follow go for the Trendupp award. In carry, I don't know wetin Soma put for teeth. He say na veneer. Na veneer they call that thing. I don't know the one wey he put. Maybe na foil paper. I mean, fans say na foil paper now he put the reverse for him because he put on. You know, say once people put that thing for mouth, no they close mouth again. They just they sun teeth up and down. So now wetin he come bring out for the fans, make they see, make they admire. The thing come pain them, reach their bone because according to them, that thing wey put for teeth, you no fit am in any way. So the first person here come out, come call am out, come say at his age, boyfriend, girlfriend, no one get sense. Kai, now so remove that foil paper from your mouth. You think say fine? The next person say, cry me a river Nile. Soma will do him. Another one say, too much of everything is bad. It's not looking good on you, bro. Another person say, he can't even talk properly with it too. Talks as if his mouth is numb. The next one say, childish. The last person say, una sure say this one go fit close mouth again for this life. Soma that have kolo. Now that they take seriously. Una no know Soma. He just they like play. He like play where we are need they like press people neck. He always want make them they talk about time. Do one so that all of us go laugh. Me when I first see the video, I first laugh. Before I can comport myself, can start to record this video while they do so. My gang, come on, I not take him seriously, Na joke. The guy no more worry. We all know say na kolo now, so not be today. Never make Soma happy. Una take care, una bye.